Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022. The second was the amendment to the Meghalaya Building Amendment Bylaws 2022. And third was the notification for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation Rules 2022. So these were the three agendas that were put up. Regarding the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, it was a very simple amendment where the agencies which are eligible to implement the funds was only enhanced, in the sense that earlier there were 9 agencies which can implement the funds. We have added the Biodiversity Board. So that was the only amendment that was made. The second, which was regarding the rules for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation rules. These are normal procedures. Once the act is come in, then obviously the rules have to follow. So we have notified the rules today. Regarding the Meghalaya Buildings Amendment Bylaws 2022, certain amendments have been made. There are a long list of details. It will not be possible for me to go through all of them. They are highly technical also in nature. So we'll prepare a small note on that and we'll send it to the press. And of course, just to share with you that I have had multiple discussions with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in the last 2 days, and we are also going to have more discussions in the next coming days also in discussion with these issues and how to ensure that these kind of future situations don't happen again, and no instigation or no kind of actions that could lead to this kind of situation should not happen. So we are now in constant touch, and we are ensuring that the communication happens at the highest level.
So what about coming to this, just to add up to my friend, most of this incident in the border area, either Block 1 or Block 2 or like Mukro, is mostly local politics played by this Jingpyntip. Mainly the government of Assam does not know whether this message will pass it to the Chief Minister of Assam so that this can be avoided in future also.
See, I don't want to comment whether it's local politics or whether it's the Kharbella District Council, but whatever factors and situations that lead to this, if proper communication and coordination is done with all the agencies, I'm sure that we'll be able to completely eliminate, or at least we'll be able to minimize these kind of incidents that do take place. And yes, we will ensure that all kind of communications that needs to be done to any of the agencies or organizations that are there, we will ensure that from the highest level it is done from both sides.
I just have one last question. The groups yesterday, they were demanding was that like the Assam government has started reconstruction of the Assam forest beat in Mukro, that which is within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya itself only. What do you have to say on this? Are you going to
anything within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya, if it's being done by anybody, any other government or any other autonomous body, that will not be allowed. If it is done within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya.
That's very much within the jurisdiction.
Yeah, so they definitely will take up the matter. So this will not be allowed.
So what is the status of border outposts?
The border has been sanctioned now, and all the people have been sent. In fact, in Mokro already the 20 people who were 30 people were posted. A platoon was posted there, and now that has been regularized. So which means now it's a permanent post. Earlier, whenever the border outpost was set up, it was as a decision at the department level, which means that people were transferred from one location to another location without actually creating sanctioned post. So the last cabinet decision we decided on this has actually sanctioned it, and those posts are now there for people to be appointed, and the ones who have been sent to Mukro are now regularized in Mukro.
One last question, sir. So there is a confusion whether the border outpost will be in Barato or in Mukro. So can you please clarify on that?
So the outpost is in Boroto. The border outpost is in Mukro.